Hey y'all, and welcome to my living room. Today we're going to be doing some deep cleaning and some fall decor in the living room. My living room was dusty and crusty and totally needed just a good deeper clean. So we're going to start out by cleaning and then we're going to move on to the fall decor. So if you just want the fall decor, just skip ahead and watch that, or if you need the cleaning motivation, hang around for the whole video. Let's get started and let's get this living room all cleaned up. I started cleaning this table and I've been wanting to redo it forever, and I just got a wild hair, y'all, and I just was like, okay, I've had enough of this table. So I took it outside and I stole my husband's sander out of the garage. If he knew it, he would die, but I used it without his permission. Don't tell him. Anyway, I sanded the top of it down and I stained it really quickly and had it all back in place before he got home from work. Now I need to paint it, the leg part of it, I need to paint it. I cannot decide, do I want to paint the legs a taupe color, a black color, or a white color? So y'all, please let me know in the comments down below what color you think that the legs of this table would look best. I feel like I'm just constantly fighting cobwebs and dust on the walls. It just seems like our walls get so dusty so quick. Are y'all having problems with cobwebs on the walls? It just seems like we have cobwebs everywhere. I don't know if it's just the season or what it is, but it seems like they have multiplied recently, and I'm about sick of them little boogers. So if y'all have any suggestions on how to keep the cobwebs off, let me know. So I have a new product alert. Y'all know I'm always on the lookout for good, affordable cleaners, and I found this at Dollar Tree. Now I normally use the Chase's glass cleaner, which is a dupe for Sprayway from Dollar Tree, which I really love, but they had this new one, and so of course I had to try it out. and it works really well. I'm using it with a microfiber here, and I've also used it with paper towels, so it works really, really good. And they do have a bathroom cleaner, and I've used it. By the way, I'm about to fall here, so I slowed that down so you could see me just about kill myself. Yep. Yep, I did not fall and break my hip. Thank the Lord. But they do have a bathroom cleaner in that same brand, and it works really good too. It does not cut dirt and scum in the tub, but it works really good on bathroom counters, on the toilet, not inside. When I say not inside the toilet, it does not have bleach in it. So it's not going to kill mildew or anything like that. But if you just need a good foaming surface cleaner without bleach in it, it works really well. The living room is feeling so much better. I'm finally down to the mopping part. I'm just using my Tyneco. I don't know what this thing's called, but it's that vacuum mop thing. Kind of like a crosswave, and I really like it. It pulls up such dirty water. It's crazy. Well, every time I dump it out, I'm like, oh my Lord, how is my floors this dirty? Because I mop like once a week, and it's just me and Matt. So you think, my Lord, like, I guess when I'm gone, like, animals must come in and tromp all over the floor and then leave before I get home, because I do not know how my floors get so dirty. But anyway, I am just so glad to have this done and have a fresh, clean space to decorate. All right, we are down to the fun part now, the decorating. I have to say, I'm really enjoying how cozy and comfy my living room feels. I absolutely love fall colors. I love earth tones and neutrals anyway, so I'm really enjoying the colors that I have this year. I also wanted to say that if you are new, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button so that you'll catch all my new videos coming out. I'm so excited to have you here today, and welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I know I say this stuff every time, but I mean it, y'all. Y'all are helping to make my dream come true. I have been working at my YouTube channel for a long time, and it's finally starting to, multiply and come to fruition, and I really do appreciate all of y'all. So thank you so much for helping keep my dream alive. But yeah, I'm going to hush up now and let y'all enjoy the decorating. I hope that you have enjoyed the motivating clean with me part of the video and the relaxing decorate with me part of the video. I have enjoyed having you here today. I do want to give a shout out to my friends Shanna and Ashley for helping me with a couple things. In this video, there is a dough bowl that you are going to see me put on the coffee table, and they put that together for me because I'm horrible at florals. And if you've been around my channel any at all, you know that I tell y'all this all the time. So I did want to give them a shout out and say thank you so much. I have some really great friends, and they're always so supportive when I call and say, help me. So thank you so much for being here today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.